friends, we are back with another Custom Dynamics install, and what I want to do today is no cuts. I want to install these LED turn signals. This is the Genesis 4 LEDs with the clear caps, the clear light caps that go on. So what I want to do is I want to do no cuts. I want to show you how completely simple and abbreviated we can make this video be for an install with no cuts, no edits. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them on and show you what I've got in here now. Right now I've got the bullet rings in here, and we're going to change to the Genesis. Okay, so turning them on now just to show you what we have. So on the left and the right, the turn signals. Okay, the turn signals down here, and over here is what we're going to change. So there's right turn, there's left turn, and that's what we're going to change today. Okay, so turning them off, and here we go. So it's just as simple as this is even a pocket item that I have in my pocket. It's a Gerber strong arm bar, but it's got a flat blade screwdriver on it. I don't know that I'm going to need it, but we have it available and ready to go. These haven't been opened, so here's first time opening, and we're going to show you how simple and how easy it is to change these Custom Dynamics turn signals. Okay, so the stock lighting that's in there pops out, and then with a simple twist and pull, those are removed. The new lighting, the Genesis lighting, comes with a piece of foam to protect it, but you can see how thin that LED plate is, and the plug is exactly like the one that came out, or if you have the factory bulbs, it'll be just like the factory bulbs. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put that plate in, and again, this is where your flat blade screwdriver, if you have one, there's a slot right in there, and you can just push right in here. And if you have it oriented right, which I didn't, I was 180 degrees off, push half a turn, and then you coil these up. Okay, I have not opened these yet, so we're going to, oh, had an extra tool, had to get a pocket knife out. Okay, but these are the lens covers that go over these lights. So this is a new style of their original. So the original Custom Dynamics lighting with the dynamic rings, when they moved away into the Pro Beam, a lot of people still wanted that look of the original dynamic rings. Okay, so that's what we're getting here. One thing that you have with these on this light itself, there is a positioning that gives you a top, and it's just a little Custom Dynamics logo. This lens cap that goes back on here is exactly like what was supplied from the factory originally. The slot goes at the bottom, and pop it on there, and we are done with this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, real quick, I'm going to move over to the other side and do the other side and have it done. Pulling out my lens cap, and we're moving over here to this side. These pop out. Okay, this one here, I can't get my little fat fingers in there. So we're going to do this one with the screwdriver. I can't see either today. Okay, in and out. Grab our new one. We're going to try and roll this up here again. You can see how thin that is, and you can see right at the top there's a little Custom Dynamics logo. So when you position this inside, all you want to do is just make sure that that is up at the top. That says top. So the only trouble that I'm having right here is that I didn't pay attention. I didn't pay attention to the orientation when I pulled out the other set, and I'm looking right into the sun while I'm trying to do this. So I've got it, I think what I've got is I've got it 180 degrees backwards, just the same as I did the other side over there. I'm having a little trouble here. There it is. I didn't even have it in the thing right. Again, coil these and push your cap in there. I did not unwrap this, so I'm going to need to unwrap this real quick. So the trouble that I was having putting that bulb in there, or the light panel in there, was all me, because I didn't pay attention to the orientation of putting it in there. Again, Custom Dynamics logo to the top, and just as simple as popping that lens cap in there, and now our lights have been changed. We turn them on and we're going to check for functionality. So we've got left turn, turns into a full amber and full panel of white. Okay, right side over here, full panel of white. And then we go over here and we hit that signal, turns into a full panel of amber. And then when you turn it back off, it goes back into a bright white. Ladies and gentlemen, Custom Dynamics, this is the Genesis 4 LED system, and it's that easy to change. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.